Alright, today is January 15th, 2022, and starting to pull all my parts out and start to do a little bit of assembly of the front end. So here's frame, subframe, sorry. It's already painted, ready to go, and I've got some other parts that are painted and also ready to go. And then there's the radiator frame support. And so now I'm going through all my boxes of stuff that I have here. So right now I'm gathering stuff that I'm going to need for assembling the front end, the subframe, and putting the subframe back together. So just all this stuff here is all the steering spindles and bushings. Here's the bushings for the leaf springs in the back. Here is the body bushings. What else we got? Random stuff here. I got my old new bolt kits for the frame, subframe assembly to the body. I got all new bolts and clips for the front leaf spring assembly. All new bolts for the rear leaf springs and for the fronts. So this is for the rear leaf springs, and this is for the front leaf springs, the body. Everything from new bushings for my leaf springs, brakes, and all kinds of stuff. So on my way.